Okay, so operant conditioning is basically learning to associate a response and its consequences. And in this case, this robot over here is going to be associating a response and what happens after that, its consequences basically in the Skinner box.
Okay, so inside the Skinner box, we have a button, a switch, and a microphone. We also have a red, yellow, and blue light bulb. Basically, what happens is if the red light bulb goes off, the robot has to press the red button. If the yellow light bulb goes off, he has to flip the switch. If the blue one goes off, he has to talk into the microphone. This is the way we'll test his responses and his learning inside the Skinner box.
Okay, so now we're going to be basically explaining our positive reinforcement punishment. Now, if you look at these two tubes that we have over here, this blue tube is basically going to allow the water to get pumped in, and we have this red tube that's going to be allowing the air to get pumped into the box. Now, basically for the positive reinforcement, it's basically making a behavior more likely by adding a stimulus after a response. Now, what's going to happen over here is that when the robot puts in the right response, he's going to get more air in the box, and this is going to allow him to want to get the right response because he needs the air to live. Now, for the positive punishment, what we're going to do is what it basically is decreasing the likelihood of a behavior by adding a stimulus after a response. Now, usually this is a aversive stimulus, and what's going to happen with this example is that if the robot gets it wrong, this tube is going to make water get pumped into the box, which is obviously not what he wants because he cannot breathe in the box when it's full of water.
Okay, so halfway through the experiment, we'll actually switch from the positive reinforcement and punishment system to the negative reinforcement and punishment system. Basically, what's going to happen then is when he gets it right, we're going to reinforce him by taking out the water that's inside there through these filters that are on the floor inside his room. That will take out the water that's already there and basically allow him more room. And then the punishment for this would be we're going to take away the air that's in there. So every single time he gets it wrong, the air is going to be slowly being taken away. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.